Pero pa ako.
Watch the rising of the sun, the shadows start to run. Standing at the start of something great. See the hope that lines the sky, and we'll let it be our guide. I won't close my eyes. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good.
Uning kapag ing ginulalapit, yamo kabun ing sariling sikana, kaya beya ing apong Ginoo.
We're on the way. Wait to the rhythm of the moment that we're making. The silver lining we'll find is worth the waiting. I think we're on to something good. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. On to something good.
Potang balo mo yung puso mo nung no karinya. Everything will follow. Ing tiwala, kapakumbabang, ing tagumpe, ing success. Lawen nyo na. Ngayon sinabi kay nga mano na ning lugut. Nung hanggayon no pa rin ing success no. May naliwa ko kule.
We could. You are something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. Yeah, we're on to something good.
You know what, love? The truth is, I'm scared to love. Because in love, nothing is certain.
From being a hopeless romantic to a person who surrendered it all to fate. Totoo nga talaga na kapag di mo hinahanap ang love ko sa siyang dumarating. Sino mag-aakala na sa simpleng pakikipagtsismisan sa hallway ay mamimit ko yung taong magmamahal sa akin ng totoo. Yung taong tatanggapin ako ng buong buo.
Walking beside you, it feels like flying.
Isn't it scary when you're not certain about something? But when I met you, I realized that it is scarier if I choose not to love.
For the rest of my life.
Truth is, I don't need to be sure. As long as you're with me, I'm good.
And when I'm awake, you're there too.
Excited na akong tumawa, umiyak, o kahit magalit nang dahil sa mga ganap sa buhay natin basta ikaw ang aking kasama. Because I wouldn't have it any other way.
That's enough to keep living this life together. 'Cause honestly, everything is better with you. Breathe in your air, it's a gift just to be here.
I vow to take risk and conquer my fears in reaching our goals as long as mabigay ko sa lahat ng pangarap mo. Just because that is how I love you. I promise to stay even if it seems like the feeling of love has faded. Kahit na mahirap ka nang intindihin, kahit na hindi na tayo magkasundo sa ibang bagay. Sasamahan kita sa lahat ng ups and downs ng buhay.
All I know is that I love you, and all I know is that's enough to keep living this life together.
Love, you had me at my worst. Definitely, you will have me at my best.
With you. Everything's been
Thank you din, mahanta mo rin, thank you din kay Mama ng Tabe. And balo ka dyan kay Alika Vocal, balo ko. And api-feel ko mga ano ko, kalaguran. Kamo, love you din.
I'm with you, I've got all that I needed. All I know is that I love you. That's enough to keep living this life together. 'Cause honestly, everything's better. All I know is that I love you, and all I know is that's enough to keep living this life together. 'Cause honestly, everything's better. Honestly, everything's better. Honestly, everything's better with you.
Mahal, pangako ko sa'yo na mamahalin kita hanggat buhay tayo. Mahal na mahal kita. Bilang ikaw. Magiging tapat at totoo ako sa'yo. Mamahalin ko din lahat ng mahal mo sa buhay. Aawayin ko laman lahat ng naaaway sa'yo. Basta promise ko, ako ang kakampi mo hanggang sa dulo. I love you so much, my dear husband.